All right, just wanted to make a quick video about the Mustang and particularly motor mounts. I was reading a couple forum posts about the motor mounts on these cars, and it's 2024 right now. This is a 1995 Ford Mustang GT. This is a 302. I've got the whole top end torn down. I just replaced the cylinder number 1 piston. I had an issue with the piston, but while I'm at it, I had to pull I couldn't get the oil pan out. I jacked the engine up with the cherry picker, as you can see, about as far as I could go. I did lower it down, but it was about as far as I could get it before the bell housing hit the firewall, basically. And that was enough for me to get the oil pan loose, drop it down, and kind of sneak it out of the way so I could get at the crankshaft and remove the rod cap. So anyway, I've got the piston changed, but while I was at it, since I had to jack up the engine to get the oil pan out, I figured let me change the motor mount. So here I have 2 motor mounts for the driver's side. And you can see I replaced the motor mounts. This one is brand new, but if you look at it, I want to put this one in because you can see this one is tilted. So although this is a brand new mount, and you see what I did here is I ground this little alignment pin off, but here the alignment pin is still on. So, but if I tilt them kind of up so you can see a little bit better, you see this one it's just twisted. You know, it's like this rubber mold on this part number must be wrong, but this one is nice and perpendicular, like two, you know, a nice, forms a cross shape, whereas this one forms like a bent shape. So it must just be an error at the factory where these mounts are made, but although this is a brand new mount, it basically was, you know, it worked, but like I said, I had to grind this alignment nub off because that's supposed to fit. There you go. I painted it with POR 15, but here's where the big bolt goes, and there's where the alignment is supposed to go. So if you have a nice, you know, front to back mount on the engine and left to right mount on the frame, it should work out. But because this mount just was made so poorly, look how twisted it is. Whereas this new one I'm going to put in is nice and straight. I guess that's about as good a shot as I'm going to get. The left one you see is straight. The right one is bent. So we're putting this one in. All right, we're going to do a pull here. 4th gear. We're slowing down, get on the highway.